What's up guys, and welcome back to this month's stock portfolio update. Today is July 6th and I'll be going over my public.com account. There's a few things that I want to cover today. The first being what happened last time in my account, which was on June 15th. Then I want to cover what my account looks like today. I will be depositing $300 into the account, and then with that money plus the dividend amount I received from the previous month, I'll be using all of those funds to invest in more monthly paying dividend stocks. So with that being said, let's get started. So the last time we looked at my account, as I mentioned, it was June 15th, and I was at $5,317.33 in my account. And I was down an all-time of 3.53% or $194.68. And for my accumulated amount for dividends, I was at $8.09 for my buying power. So that was just money that my previous stocks had paid out, and now I have that just sitting there, chilling, waiting for me to reinvest it. All right, looking at my account today, which is July 6th, 2023, you can see that my account is sitting at $5,301 and now 88 cents, which is an all-time down of 3.81% or $210.13. Looking at the chart, you can see that this account has been growing for a bit of time. If you're new here, I started this back in 2021 right here, and I slowly grew it up to this point, stopped investing, and then started investing again right here, which was the first of this month. And I've been depositing $300 every single month. Here I deposited $600 because I missed a month, and now we are currently sitting at this account value. Zooming in though, we can see at the 1 year chart how this account has grown. It was pretty bumpy. You can see that I invested, it kind of went up, invested here, went down, invested here, went down. So very bumpy road, but we are still continuing, we are still making money, and this is how you grow your account over time, just being consistent with every single time you invest. And just to show you what the previous months looked like, I'll do the 6-month value here. You can see that growth right there. This is 3 months, 1 month, very messy, 1 week, and today we had quite a bit of a drop today, and that's fine. That gives us more room to use our money to invest into other stocks and ETFs to grow our account even more. Moving on now, we're gonna look at the buying power. As of right now, I have $36.23 for my buying power, and that's just from the stocks and ETFs that paid out over the previous month, and a little bit from this month too. Today is, as I said, July 6th, so some of these dividends have been paid out for this month, and I'm just going to be using that anyways. But I know a lot of you were probably wondering how much I actually made last month, which was June. So I did the calculations, and for June, I made a total of $30.88, which is pretty awesome. I'm not too upset about that. You know, that's free money that's coming into my account. It's just going to keep generating more and more and going to keep growing over time as I continue to invest. So that's awesome. And just for your reference, I'm going to leave a list of all of the dividends that were paid out and by what stocks or ETFs it was paid out from. So go ahead and pause the screen really quick and take a look at that. All right, now that I've gone through my account details, let's scroll down a bit to see what my account looks like. So you can see the holdings right here. My highest holding is currently JEPI. Next is RYLD, and you can see here as it goes down the ranks how much I have invested in each of these different stocks and ETFs. So just to give you an idea of what I have invested in so far. And today I'm actually going to be investing in 3 new monthly paying dividend stocks, which I'll get to shortly. But let me change this over to all-time gain. And you can see that Apple has been doing well, as Apple does, and a few other stocks here, but for the most part, my account has gone down with the crazy volatility in the market. So that's fine though, because I am looking for dividend payment. each month. I'm looking for consistent income each month, and this is what this account is providing. Some of these are monthly paying. You can see that I have a few that are not, like Amazon, Google, and also Apple. Those are not monthly paying dividend stocks, but for the majority of these holdings, I am invested in monthly paying stocks and ETFs. All right, now that we've covered all of that, let's get started with the $300 deposit into my account, and let's purchase some of these stocks and ETFs. So moving on now, we're going to go to deposit. We're going to do custom, $300. Next, confirm. And there we go. We are now able to purchase more assets with this money. So I'm going to hit done. And you can see immediately for the daily chart here that the money has just gone in and it has skyrocketed that amount. So let's go to all. You can see at the very end that it has moved up. So today I wanted to invest in, as I mentioned, 3 new monthly paying dividend ETFs and stocks. So the first one we're going to go to is called Divo, D-I-V-O. There it is. And I'm going to be investing $100 into each of these. So I'm going to hit buy. $100. Next, I'm going to take the tip off. Submit. And there we go. So that one's done. I'm now going to move on to the next one, which is Gain, G-A-I-N. Gonna hit buy. $100. Take the tip off. All right, that's done. And last but not least, we have XYLD. Oops, XYLD. There we go. Buy. $100. Take that off and submit. There we go. I just invested all $300 that I have in my account. And you notice from the charts that a lot of these have fallen. There was some news today. I am not sure what the news was. I haven't looked into it just yet. I wanted to get this video out though. And because the prices are now starting to go up. So I know that right now is a good time to throw my money at these before they do appreciate again. But let's go back now to my main account. You can see that I still have the $36.23 in my account. And what I've started to do now is to invest this money, this remaining dividend money, into VOO, just to grow my account slowly. So I'm gonna do that, hit buy, and $36 next. And submit. There we go. So now you can see that my account is now at $5,602. Oh, it just changed. $601.94. And we're making our way. We're slowly growing this account. Hopefully I can get this to $10,000. And after that, then I'll decide what I'm going to do with this account. Either keep growing or start a different account for you guys. I'm not sure just yet. But right now my buying power is at the 23 cents. I can't do anything with that. It wouldn't let me. So I'm just leaving that there for the next time I invest. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just this journey that I decided to take on. And you can see that it's been one heck of a journey for the last few years and getting it to this point. And now it's paying pretty decent amounts of dividends each month. You know, I can use that for paying bills, going to get a coffee or dinner. It doesn't really matter because this is money that I am now growing and getting into my account and using for whatever I need it for. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. And also, if you want to get started on this journey as well, go ahead and click the link in the description. It's a link to public.com where you can get a free fractional share and also get started on your investing journey. And with that being said, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.